Good morning class. Today we are going to discuss further about the matrices chapter. Today's topic is very important as it is what multiplication of two matrices. We are known about the multiplication of two numbers as well, and anything we multiply, right? It is general multiplication, but multiplication of matrices is something different from every multiplication, right? So it needs to be taken care, right? The product of two matrices, first of all, two matrices will be multiplied A and B in the order A and B, AB, right? If it is possible if the number of columns of A is equals to number of rows of B. This is a must condition, otherwise we can't multiply A and B. A number of columns of A matrix must be equals to number of rows of B matrix. That is, if A is of order M cross N and B is of order P cross Q and AB is possible to get, then number of columns of A will be equals to number of rows of B, which will be N equals to P. And what will be the order of AB? It will be, see, we are multiplying two matrices M cross N and P cross Q. N must be equals to P and the order of resulting matrix will be M cross Q. Clear? The order of AB will be M cross Q. Now I will give you example how to find the multiplication of two matrices A and B. Now see, we have one matrix A which is 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Now order of this matrix, very important, order of this matrix is what? 2 cross 3, because it has 2 rows and 3 columns. So order of this matrix is 2 cross 3. Now next matrix, B matrix. Suppose this is B matrix. This is matrix 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is of order 3 cross 2. Now see for the condition for multiplication. If we want to find AB, columns of A must be equals to rows of B. Columns of A 3, rows of B 3, equal, right? If they are equal, we can find AB, right? We can find AB. Now what will be the order of AB? Leave this, we will get 2 cross 2. So order of AB will be 2 cross 2. I think you are clear up to this point, right? Now if AB will be 2 cross 2 order, what type of matrix it will be? A11, A12, A21 and A22. Now from here only you will get to know how to find these elements A11, A12, A21 and A22. Now how to find these elements? Look carefully. A11, it will be multiplication of first row of A with first column of B. 1, 1, first row, first column. That means A's first row into A's first column, right? How it will be? 1, 2, 3 into 1, 3, 5. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. This will be our first element of the matrix AB. So it will be 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 5. Next element. What is next element? A12. A12. That means first row and second column. That means first row of A and second column of B. 1, 2, 3 into 2, 4, 6. So how it will be? 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 6. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4 plus 3 into 6. This will be our second element. Now go for third element. What it will be? A21. Now we have to change the row, right? Second row of A and first column of B. See, second row of A and first column of B. 2, 3, 4 when multiplied with 1, 3, 5. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 5. 2 into 1 plus 3 into 3 plus 4 into 5. This will be our third element. Now last element, fourth element, it will be A22. A22, that means second row and second column. Second row of A and second column of B. Multiply 2, 3, 4 with 2, 4, 6. We will get 2 into 2 plus 3 into 4 plus 4 into 6. So this will be our fourth and last element. Clear? Do this calculation, you will get the matrix 22, 28, 31 and 40. So this is the way how to find the product of two matrices. I think you all are clear. Don't get confused in product, right? It is very, very important, right? Now I will tell you one more example. Let A be a matrix of order 3 cross 3, right? B be a matrix of order 3 cross 4, right? Then we have to find AB. We can find AB only if columns of A will be equals to rows of B, right? 3 is equals to 3. That means we can find AB. And what will be the order of AB? Leave this and this also. So you will get 3 cross 4, right? AB will be of order 3 cross 4. So what type of matrix it will be? A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, A34, right? So this type of matrix AB will be, right? Now first element will be A11, that means first row of A and first column of B. First row of A, first column of B. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 6 plus 3 into 1. This will be our first element, right? Next element A12, that means first row and second column. First row of A and second column. 1 into 3 plus 2 into 7 plus 3 into 2. This will be our second element. Third element A13, first row and third column. First row and third column. 1 into 4 plus 2 into 8 plus 3 into 3. Right? Fourth element A14, first row of A, fourth column of B. This one multiply 1 into 5, 2 into 9, 3 into 4. Right? This will be our fourth element. So on, fifth element will be A21, right? Second row and first column. Second row and first column. 4 into 2 plus 5 into 6 plus 6 into 1. Right? 4, next A22, second row, second column. 4 into 3 plus 5 into 7 plus 6 into 2. So on A23 and A24. Clear? Next A31, that means third row of A and first column of B. Third row of A and first column of B. 7 into 2 plus 8 into 6 plus 9 into 1. And so on, we will find all the elements, right? If we will find all the elements, we will get the matrix A by solving all these equations or expressions, right? So this is how we find the product of matrices, multiplication of matrices. Now see here, in this example, A was of order 2 cross 3 and B was of order 3 cross 2. If I want to find BA, number of columns of B must be equals to number of rows of A. 3 cross 2 and 2 cross 3, right? Number of columns of B is equals to number of rows of A. Yes, it is true. Then what will be the order of BA? It will be 3 cross 3. You will find this matrix BA of order 3 cross 3 by using same process. 3 cross 3 will be of nature A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. 9 elements will be there. Find by similar procedure, you will get the matrix BA. In the second case, if we want to find BA, check. BA is of order 3 cross 4. A is of order 3 cross 3. Number of columns of B is not equals to number of rows of A. So we can't find BA in this case. But in that case, we can find BA and it will be of order 3 cross 3. 3 cross 3. So use the similar process. Find BA for this question. We will discuss more problems of the multiplication of two matrices in the next class, and I will also tell you what is the real meaning of multiplication of two matrices. Try all the questions, some questions of multiplication, some questions of special type like row matrix into column matrix into row matrix, what it will be, right? We will discuss this topic in next class. Thank you.